Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create stickers sheet in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to go to create a design and search for A4. You can select any page format if you want to do so, but I prefer A4 for a sticker sheet. So once you're here, you're going to search for any specific element you have. You can search from any built-in Canva elements, or you can also upload your own. So let's go with this sticker over here. If you want a complete sticker sheet with the same icon, you can simply copy this icon over here. And after that, you can simply paste it right in front of it. So we're going to adjust it over here with some distance. And now let's paste another one and do the same for it. And now you can see that we have 3 icons. You can copy all of them, press Ctrl+C, and then press Ctrl+V to paste. And then you can drag it to the bottom like this. And just like that, you can do it once again, like this, and now once again. And now you can see that you have successfully created a very nice sticker sheet. And then you can click on share. And then you're going to click on download over here, and you can either select PDF standard if you have multiple sticker pages, or if you just want one, you can simply click on JPG and then click on download. And that was basically how you can create a sticker sheet in Canva. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.